Hello everybody. I've just been out walking in the woods with the collie and it struck me how nature makes patterns everywhere. So I'm thinking that these outer patterns reflect an inner pattern within me. It's almost like neural pathways are opening up. Anyway, I seem to be stuck in patterns at the moment, and this is a piece I've written called Grace and Nature. Nature's patterns flow rounded in circles gracefully, complete, self-sufficient maybe. The affair between nature and grace stirs a kinship in me. It pulls me home to her ways, humble, strong and free. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you again soon.